Sniff a strong perfume. Most of you might have experienced sudden waves of sneezing by being exposed to any strong perfumes or sprays. Simply spraying a strong perfume or spray around you can irritate the lining of your nose and cause you to sneeze. Why this works? When the droplets of a strong perfume come close to your nostrils, it can irritate the lining of your nose and trigger the trigeminal nerve, hence prompting you to sneeze. Caution! Do not spray the perfume directly on your nostrils. Subscribe us to know more health tips and home remedies.